Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use KNIME. All right. As you can see here, I have my KNIME Analytics Platform opened. And as you can see, it is an app or a software. So if you don't know how to download it, we have a separate video for that. Just go ahead and look it up on the channel. Look for the title, how to install KNIME. Okay. It's actually pretty easy to do. You just have to sign up and download the installer. Okay. Now, in here, as you can see, you have your local space in here and the KNIME Community Hub. And under this, you have your private and public space. When you click on your public space in here, as you can see, you can just go ahead and upload your workflows in here and share it publicly to whoever has access or the URL. I'm going to show you that later. In here, let's go back to home. Now, in order to create a workflow, we have that in here, okay? The yellow button. Click on it. Now name the project, for example, basic workflow, like so, and hit on create. In here, as you can see, here is your canvas. And here you will add your data and nodes, okay? Let's go ahead and go to nodes in here. And as you can see, we have nodes for I/O, manipulation, views, analytics, database, other data types, structured data, scripting, tools and services, KNIME Labs, workflow control, workflow abstraction, and reporting. Okay. Just for example, if you have a data which is written in a CSV or Excel, okay, go ahead over to I/O. And here, for example, you have a data that is set to Excel. Right here, just drag it, right click on it and hit on configure. Now in here, upload a file, or if you have multiple files or Excel files, make sure that it is on a folder, okay? And then tick on files and folder, and all of the data from there will be uploaded, or all of the files in that particular folder, okay? If you just want to upload one file, just hit on file and hit on browse, okay? Go to the directory where you have saved your data. For example, this one. Gonna hit on open, like so, and here's the preview of the data, okay? Just hit on apply, then hit on OK, hit on execute, wait for it to load, and your data will be written in here. All right. Now, let's say, for example, you wanted to add another node. Okay, it is up to you, whatever node you wanted to put in here. For example, you wanted a pie chart. Okay, drag and drop, make the connection like so, run once. There you go. Right click to configure. Then category dimension right here, maybe sex. Okay. Frequency dimension, just leave it as is. Aggregation right here. If you want to, you can go ahead and select occurrence count, sum or average, threshold, plot, size, and sort categories by size, name, insertion order, label content, category, value, or both. Okay. And once done, just hit on OK. Execute. And here you have the chart. Now, if you want to add in some more, you have these options in here as I've shown you earlier. Okay. If you want to save this workflow, okay, go ahead and go to the top left and click on save. Now, if you want to save and share it, go ahead and click on the drop down in here and hit on export. Destination right here, click on browse and save it to a place where you can find easily. Okay, hit on save, finish. Once done, go back to home. Okay, we're gonna check it out under local space. We have the basic workflow in here. So the next thing would be is to share it. Go to Community Hub, Public, Import Workflow, select the workflow, hit on Open, wait for it, and there you have it. Now, to be able to share it, click on it, right click, and click on Open in Hub. Okay. A browser will open like this. And here we have the workflow. Now to share it, just go ahead and click on share, copy the link, and send it wherever you want. Like so. It will look like this. All right. The person can just easily download it using this button right here. Leave a like, or if the person already has KNIME Analytics Platform opened, you can just easily drag and drop. Click and hold on this icon, drag and drop to Analytics Platform. Wait for it to load. And it's now open. Okay. You have extensions right here under menu. Install extensions. Okay. And here you have a ton of options. All right. You can also install extensions via web browser. And here, for example, you are at KNIME.com. Go to Community, Community Hub. For example, you have KNIME for Generative AI. I'm going to click on it. Now scroll down and look for example, LLM prompter right here. I'm going to click on it. Now we have the drag and drop button as well. To install it from the web browser, just drag and drop like so. Wait for it and hit on yes. Next, next, I accept, finish, right? Just wait for installation process to finish, and once done, you're good to go. And that's just the basics on how to use KNIME. And we do have multiple videos on how to use it. Just look it up on the channel, all right? You'll see how to merge the files in KNIME, like how to add column, remove duplicates, export a KNIME workflow, or even import, okay? I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.